Configuring a scheduled search is all about precision and efficiency. First, you choose your schedule type. Want a custom setup? Use a cron expression like 00 for a daily midnight run. Prefer simplicity? Go for preset options like hourly or weekly. Next, define your time range. Whether you want to analyze the last 24 hours or a specific date range, it's all in your hands. Now let's talk about report results. You can display them right in Splunk, email them in CSV, JSON, or PDF formats, or even save them to an external file. And don't forget about alerting. Set up alerts for critical conditions so you're notified via email or through a ticketing system when something needs your attention. You can also specify the time of day for your searches, ensuring they run during off-peak hours to keep your system running smoothly. Lastly, configure search priorities to make sure your most important searches execute first. With these tools, you can tailor your searches to fit your needs perfectly. When you schedule a search, you will encounter a few configurable options to tailor how the runs and what it does with the results. Schedule type, cron expression. You can define a custom schedule using a cron expression. Cron expressions are used to define time intervals, e.g., 00 for midnight every day. Preset options. Alternatively, you can use preset options such as hourly, daily, weekly, etc. Time range. The time range defines the period for which the search should query. You can define relative time ranges, such as last 24 hours or last 7 days, or use absolute time. Report results. You can configure the output of the scheduled search to be saved as a report. This report can be displayed in Splunk. Results are visible within the Splunk interface. Emailed. The results can be emailed to specified recipients in CSV, JSON, or PDF format. Saved as a file. The search results can be exported and saved to an external file or directory. Alerting. You can set up an alert based on the results of the search. For instance, if the search detects a certain condition, like an error threshold or event count, it can trigger an alert. Alerts can be sent via email, logged to a file, or escalated to a ticketing system. Time of day. You can define specific times during the day when the search should run. This is useful for ensuring that searches run during off-peak hours to minimize the load on the Splunk system. Search priorities. You can configure the priority for scheduled searches. For example, high-priority searches can run before lower-priority searches, ensuring critical searches execute first.